Starting Saturday, people experiencing a mental health crisis no longer have to dial a 10-digit phone number or 911 for immediate help.
There's a new 3-digit hotline, 988. People can now call or text to get connected with crisis counselors 24 hours a day. 9 on your sides, Claire Curry joins us from our Jacksonville studio with more on how the new system will work and its demand here in the East.
The new crisis number is as easy to remember as 911, and mental health experts I spoke with here in Onslow County hope that more people will be able to get the help they need. Dr. Toby Gilbert is the police crisis counselor for Jacksonville Public Safety and is also on the 988 task force. She says they receive around 100 calls a month, and she personally sees even more calls than that.
With my job, I'm responding to that. I'm making phone calls, and I'm seeing, in a quarter anyway, about 500 people.
Gilbert says the new program will not only help the people receiving care, but also those who have been responding.
So the idea to go to 3 digits was twofold. One, to help people remember it much easier and get quicker access. And then the second reason was to help take calls off of 911.
When dialing 988, it gives people someone to talk to and respond in a crisis situation, along with a place to go for local resources. Christopher Hunt is the clinical director at Hope for the Warriors in Jacksonville.
This clinic alone, since its inception a year and a half ago, has seen over 530 episodes of care.
With being a heavy military community, he hopes more people utilize this resource.
With mental health in the military, we're supposed to just, suck it up and keep pushing through it, right? Not let it bother us. And so that becomes very detrimental to a lot of people.
And hopefully put an end to a national crisis.
We know that, over the course of this pandemic, suicide rates have just unfortunately gone very high, and law enforcement demand has been, very challenging. So I think this is a great way to help more people.
Gilbert says that since the system is new, if you are in a crisis situation and trying to reach the number but can't get through, you can call the original 10-digit number or call 911 and someone will assist you. In the Jacksonville studio, Claire Curry, 9 on your side.